So today I'm going to Classic Cars and Sports Cars car meet. Hopefully going to be very fun. Yeah, we'll see you when we get there. I've got, obviously as you saw, I've got a cup of tea. I might have to take it with me, but yeah, so I'll see you when we get here. Or there, hopefully we'll see some nice cars. So I've just finished one of the probably best spots ever. There's a Miata kit car and the Lotus Elise. And I saw the Elise and I was like, and I realised there was a Miata. And we've got another car that's coming to meet. But yeah, so see you guys when we actually get there. Well, they've all gone in for breakfast / lunch, so I thought I'd give you a walk around the wheel car. There's all amazing cars here. There's a Porsche Carrera 4S, there's a Ford Capri, and my favourite car / truck here, Ford F100. So yeah, thought I'd give you a walk around quickly. We've got Ford F100 with the V8 sign there, and then around here you got full logo on the step thing. I can't remember what it's called. Radial GT tyres, because you need them on a Ford F100 that looks like a drag car. MG, I don't know much about it, but I just know it's nice. Yeah, it's a very nice colour. I'm going to turn the thing around so I can actually see what I'm filming, but yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Right, so I'll turn the thing around now. We've got Jaguar here. We've got an old Austin, this one we saw coming in. We've got a Ford Popular, I think it is. Something Popular. I can tell because it says Popular right there. But we've got an old Rover here. Rover 100, I think that says. You can't tell, but yeah. This is probably the best one here. Ford Capri. Probably one of the best ones, the best old American cars that I've ever seen. Very nice. Even the colour, burgundy or really dark red. Here we've got a Mazda Miata, my favourite, or one of my favourite Japanese cars. It was very nice, especially in the British racing green. We've got Alfa Romeo here. I don't know, let's check what one it is. Alfa Romeo GT Blackline. Looks very nice. We'll be doing car spotting later with George, but he didn't want to come to the meet. But yeah, so very nice Alfa. And then over here we've got another Mazda Miata, also in British racing green. I think that's like a matte colour one, and this is like a gloss. But it still looks very nice with the wooden handbrake and gear stick. And then over here we've got a Porsche Carrera 4S. Looks very nice. I've got some I think I got some pictures of this one rolling in. No, Z4 I got a picture of it rolling in. Very nice car. We've got a video of this one rolling in actually. And then here is probably one of the most amazing ones, because you've got BMW Z3 logo, but then down here you've got a Hot Wheels and Batmobile logo, or Batman logo. Nürburgring sticker, Grand Touch GP sticker. Very nice wheels as well. Ooh, more stickers back here. You got, I'm not even going to look at all of those. Oh wait, Radio Kick 100. Yeah, I ain't going to read that. Very nice brake light. Oh yeah, got a hamburger or burger thing up there. and then it's just the same on the other side. So yeah, it looks very nice. Hope we'll see some cars later, hopefully with George. But yeah, and we'll film all these cars leaving. I'm definitely filming the Porsche leaving. But yeah, I was hoping yesterday we'd see a Porsche, and luckily we did. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later. So here with the mini car, you doing pictures. Turn around. Cat. What? So tried the photography in the car, mate. Or the mini car, mate. We'll put pictures up later. But a cat came along. Hang on. Some beautiful pictures of him. They're actually amazing. I'll put the pictures up of the car meet later. So tried the photography in the car, mate. Or the mini car, mate. We'll put pictures up later. But a cat came along. Hang on. Some beautiful pictures of him. They're actually amazing. I'll put the pictures up of the car meet later. Yeah.
They also are a bit more sitting on the second row. This is a Chinese
So we just left the mate. Sorry about all the noise, there's loads of cars. But yeah, I didn't get any videos of the cars leaving because couldn't bothered. Well, I wanted to get pictures. But yeah, I did get a video of the F100 starting up, which was nice. Gonna go out and have something to eat and drink, and then me and George are gonna go car spotting. So yeah, see you in a bit. So I forgot to film an outro again. As you saw, we also went to a wide load, which I wasn't expecting. But yeah, so it was quite fun at the mate. Didn't get too much videos, but yeah, not going back next week because I'm busy. But I'm gonna go back hopefully a week after. Hopefully we'll get some other cars. But yeah, so it was another quite short vlog today. But yeah, so hopefully we get some longer vlogs soon. Gonna hopefully go Heathrow next week, even though it's gonna be raining. But yeah, right. So see you then.